Very good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our 8th lesson, Body Movements. Today, we are learning about human skeleton. You often feel something hard when you touch your arm, leg, and your head. Do you know what this hard substance in your body is? Yes, this hard substance is bone. Human body is made up of number of bones. These bones forms a framework that give shape to our body, and this framework of bones is called skeleton. A body without a skeleton will appear like a jelly that has no shape of its own. Not only gives support and shape, but skeleton help in movement of various parts of the body. Now this human skeleton have four main parts. So which are that parts? First one, the skull, the backbone, the rib cage, and the limbs. Let's learn one by one about the each organ. The skull is made up of bones of head and the face. All the bones are not movable except the lower jaw, and there are cavities present for your eyes and nose. The function of the skull is to protect the important organ of the body, that is the brain. Next is the rib cage. The rib cage is a bony structure present in the chest area. You can easily feel it when you keep your hand on the chest area. The ribs are curvy in shape, and there are 12 pairs of ribs present in a human being. They are attached to the backbone present at the back and from front side attached with the breastbone. The rib cage protect important internal organs such as heart and the lungs. The next important is the backbone. Backbone also known as the spine. It can help you to bend and pick up the things to tie your shoelace. Backbone runs from the back of the skull to the lower part of the body. The spine is made up of 33 small bones called as vertebrae. These small bones are joined to each other. It is this bone by which the rib cage is attached. The limbs constitute the last part of the skeleton. They are forelimbs and hind limbs. The bones of the arms form the forelimbs. One long bone in upper arm and two smaller bones in lower arms form the forelimbs. The bone of the upper arm attached with the vertebra called collarbone and the shoulder blade. Similarly, three bones in the leg forms the hind limbs. One bone at the upper leg means at the thigh, and two bones at the lower leg forms the hind limbs. They are attached with the pelvic bone. All these together form the skeletal system. Now let's recap what we have learned. The skeleton is a framework of bones that gives shape and support to the body. There are four parts of a skeleton: skull, ribs, spine, and limbs. The skull is made up of bones of the head and the face. Skull protects the brain from any damage. Rib cage is the bony structure present in the chest area. It protects internal organs like stomach and lungs. The spine runs from the back of the head to the lower back and helps in making the body flexible. Arms and legs together make the limbs. The bones of the arm make the forelimb, while the bones of the legs make the hind limbs. Next, learn about the muscle contractions, muscles and their functions. A band or bundle of fibrous tissue in a human or animal body that has the ability to contract, producing movement in or maintaining the position of parts of the body are known as muscles. The movement of body can be controlled by the alternate contraction and relaxation of the two sets of muscles. Hope you are understanding, students. Thank you. Have a great day.